This tutorial will illustrate adding a measurement to an existing scanner. A measurement tells the system what information you are interested in gathering from your scanner. First, open Full Configuration by pressing TotalVu on the main application window and select Full Configuration. Next, enter Scanners. Confirm that you have one or more scanners defined to which you would like to add a measurement. Make a note of their names for later selection. I also recommend making a note of the number of scanning facets particular to your gauge, as this plays a role in scan averaging later on. I am currently using the T-Laser 230, so I will double-click and find the number of scanning facets here. Then press Cancel, exit Scanners, and enter Measurements. Execute Add Scanner Measurement. Select the scanner or scanners to which you would like to add measurements. Do this by clicking on the scanner name and then pressing Add. Then click Next. Select the measurement types desired from the list below. This is where you tell the system what type of information you would like to gather from your scanner. Advanced users may click Show Advanced Types for an extended list of measurement types. Add each desired measurement type by clicking each measurement and pressing Add. When your list is complete, press Next. Measurement mode is where you tell the system how and when you want the selected measurement types available for use. A continuous selection will continue processing your measurement with no delay as long as the part is in the field. If interrupted, it will resume processing measurements right where it left off. If this interruption is in the middle of a scan average, the next scans will be averaged with the last scans. Only use this selection for continuous parts. A part manual selection will process one new measurement each time a sample discrete action is executed. Watch the tutorial on actions and buttons and select the action type Measurement Sample Discrete. A part automatic selection provides the user with continuous measurement updates, just like the continuous selection above does, with the added ability to both isolate new measurement scans from past scans and to dictate end-of-part conditions. Make your selection and then press Next. Decide if you want to report every individual scan or if you want some degree of averaging done before the measurement is reported. If you do not want any averaging performed, type a 1 in the blank next to Scans and then press Next. If you do want averaging performed, first select an averaging mode. You can average a certain number of scans by selecting the radio button to the left of By Scans, and then typing your desired averaging period. If averaging less than 50 scans, performance may be improved by averaging a multiple of the number of scanning facets particular to your gauge. The T-Laser 230 has 12 scanning facets, so I am averaging 48 scans for each reported measurement value. You can average by distance by selecting the radio button next to By Distance and then entering your averaging period using the calibrated units of your encoder. If your measurement mode on the previous screen is set to By Part, you may also average the entirety of each part by choosing By Part. This selection also permits the average of a fixed number of scans starting at the beginning of each part by checking the box next to Use Fixed Scan Count and entering the number of scans desired. Today I am averaging 5 scans and 48 scans. If you would like TotalVu to recalculate the measurement value every time it receives a new scan, check the box next to Use Running Average. If you plan to set up unreasonable limits in your recipe and would like to filter unreasonable measurements from entering your data, check the box next to Discard Rejected Scans. Then click Next. This window allows the user to program a number of scans to ignore before or after an action and then later execute the action on demand. If you choose to use it, type in the number to ignore here, watch the tutorial on actions and buttons, and select the action types, measurement, ignore scans before, and measurement, ignore scans after. When complete, press next. Under resolution, select the number of decimal places you would like the measurements rounded to before they are reported. This selection will depend on gauge type, product type, and the measurement type. Today, I will round to the millionth place. Next, if you want an offset added to the measurement before the value is reported, check the box next to Use Offset and type in the desired offset value here. A negative offset will result in a smaller reported value. Advanced users may click Show Advanced Properties and choose a custom scanner calibration and index calibrations. Index calibration should only be used when multipassive PERT is not available or not enabled. Then click Next. Use this window to enable and configure flaw detection. See the tutorial Flaw Detection for more information. Then click Next. If you want this measurement reported to an SPC plan, check the box to the left of the desired SPC plan. Then click Next. Provide a name for each of your new measurements. You may want to differentiate based on measurement mode or scan averaging. Then click Finish. If you want to see the reported measurement, next watch the tutorial on measurement displays or trend charts. Thank you for watching. This has been Tutorials by Joel.